Today's word is assuage, which has two definitions. The first is to lessen the intensity of a bad feeling, and the second is to satisfy a desire for something. For the first definition, to lessen the intensity, I think about a friend who's going through a really bad breakup and is super, super sad and depressed. I might go over with some snacks and some silly movies and magazines and whatever to try and cheer her up, to assuage those sad feelings that she has. For the second definition, to satisfy a desire, imagine that you have gone out late on a Saturday night, you wake up on Sunday, you're tired, you're hungry, you really want to go out and get some greasy food. So that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to brunch and have a huge plate of fried eggs and potatoes to assuage your desire, to satisfy your desire for greasy comfort food. So that's assuage, to lessen the intensity of a bad feeling or to satisfy a desire for something. Subscribe for more Word of the Day videos and check out our other free GRE resources in the description below.